Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna go over with you guys how much I've made off my candy machine business since it started. So I started my candy machine business in October of last year, 2019, it's 2020, and I really just wanted to kind of get an idea of how much I was gonna be making, how easy or hard it may be to get locations for my vending business, and stuff of that nature. So I started out buying 3 machines, one brand new triple head vending machine and 2 used triple head vending machines. And with those machines, I thought I was going to get them all 3 placed on the first day. I learned really quickly that that's not how candy vending works, and getting locations for your vending machines, that is going to be the toughest part of your whole business. Sometimes I hear a lot that people aren't getting that many sales on their candy vending machines. This I have 2 locations right now. My one location averages about $3 a week, which is pretty treacherous, but right along the averages of what, the national averages for candy vending businesses. But my second location, which I luckily got placed at in Old Chicago, it actually makes about 25 to 30 bucks a week in, 4 weeks in a month, 5 weeks in a month. That ends up being a pretty decent amount from a candy machine, especially considering a full candy machine can last about 2 months of a lot of vending. So I don't ever feel that I've filled that machine like 3 times, you guys, and I've literally made like 400 bucks off of it already. I've only had it for 3 months. So that's a pretty good return. The machine itself with the candy and everything, I've barely even spent 200. So I'm pretty impressed with the return on that machine, and I'm hoping to get more machines in Old Chicago. The manager at the Old Chicago I have my machine at now, he's actually the wife of the manager at another Old Chicago in my area, and she's down to have a candy machine, but she wants a black one and I have a red one. So I'm going over the pros and cons of, is it worth getting a whole brand new $160 machine just for it to be black? Or should I try to paint my red machine? Or I don't know. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think I should do about that, because I'm really not sure. But as far as my candy machine business goes, I've been really intrigued by how much money I've been earning, and I'm really looking to expand my business this year. Before I buy new machines, I really do want to secure a few locations that I think will generate some income for me. But again, that is the hardest part. I've been in touch with dispensaries, I've been in touch with restaurants, haircut places, offices, department stores, everything, and a lot of people either don't get back to you or they just flat out tell you no, it doesn't work for them. And there's not really much you can do past a no, only because it's not your building. You're asking them for square footage. Usually 10 to 20% of a month is only, $5 to $10. And so that's not really worth it for most people to deal with the hassle of having a mess and all that kind of stuff. So I also would advise anybody starting a candy business, a candy vending machine business specifically, that you check on your machines way more often than you see everybody else checking on their machines. Here on YouTube, I see so many people checking their machines once every 2 months, and they're upset when they only find $15 in their machine after 2 months. But machines get so dirty, kids' hands are disgusting, and they're gonna be your biggest customers. So you wanna be sure that you have access to your machines to make sure that they're running perfectly, there's no mistakes, everything's looking clean and tidy, your machines are filled. People don't like empty machines. I own a vending machine business, and when I pass some machines, I don't wanna use them just because they're low, even though I know low doesn't mean bad, but it's just, that's the psyche of people. We think, oh, well, it's low, it must have been there for a while, why isn't someone refilling it, blah, blah, blah. So you want to maintain your machines. Make sure you're visiting your machines as much as you can. I eat at Old Chicago sometimes, so every time I go out to eat, I make sure I'm checking on my machine, I clean it up a little bit. Every time I go and collect my quarters from my machine, I will go around and give anybody looking at me collecting my quarters a few quarters to use my machine. And when they get their candy for free, it's nice, fresh candy. They've met me. They know I'm a cool guy. I'm someone who's taking care of the machine. They're more inclined to use that machine again. And to be honest, at my Old Chicago location, I've just been making money, you guys. I can show you how much money I've been earning. All right. Oh, you can't tell. Okay.
Oh, it's a surprise.
Oh. And then Skittles are always our monster. Looks pretty fire.
Yeah, a lot spilled.
Yes. I literally used already $200 from my vending business to buy a piece of land, which I have another video about that you can watch. But just since I've purchased my land, which was in November, so from November till right now, I've already earned $283. I was going to say 63, but I got another 20 today. So $283 in 2 months. And I know a lot of people would be asking, so here's what I have saved over the last 2 months. It's very, very heavy. I can show you guys a little bit. It's a lot, let me tell ya. So if we look at this, and this is some I've already cast in. Beauty. Not even, maybe just around 2 months. And I'm sorry, but I only went to Sam's Club once and I've earned $200. I spent maybe 30 bucks. So I don't know a lot of businesses that are giving people 700% returns on their investments in less than 2 months. So I think it is a very interesting thing, vending is. You don't have to be there to make your money. You just got to make sure your machine's taken care of. And you can definitely earn what you're hoping to earn as long as you put in the work. You make sure you're getting good locations. You make sure you're taking care of the people who are watching your locations, because people can mess with your machines. You need to make sure you have a good rapport with these people where they're in a position to protect your machine as if it were theirs. Because in reality, it almost is, considering it's at their location 100% of the time. So I just want you guys to not get pessimistic about your vending business. There's money to be made, you guys. Vending is like a $1 billion industry or something like that. And we can all get a piece of the pie. Make sure you're taking care of your machines. Make sure you're doing what you need to do to have a fully functional business. Give it time, you guys. Give it effort. You can't expect money to just come from the sky. You have to put in the time and the effort. You have to put in the work. You have to put in the mental, everything. It's a business at the end of the day. So although it may be small and it may be incremental cash, nothing too extreme, it is a business that can generate you passive income, truly passive. You don't have to be there to make it. You don't have to talk to anyone to make it. You don't have to do anything. You just have to put the candy there and let your money be made. So if you guys are ready to start your vending businesses, make sure you're doing your due diligence. Make sure you're securing locations before you buy your machines, and make sure you're smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So you guys, this was just a short video letting you guys know that vending businesses are good for the heart and good for the soul and good for the wallet. And if you can get a good location and you can take care of your machines, you can be the next person earning some money. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll be sure to make more videos following up on my vending business as it goes. Thanks.